Life can be overwhelming, and managing stress is something we all have to navigate at some point. But what if you had like this digital AI tool that could help guide you through these practical techniques? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into this video right now. How ChatGPT can support your mental wellness and help you regain balance in your daily life. And as always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you on your wellness journey. Let's get started. Sometimes the best way to relieve stress is through something as simple as mindful breathing. And what's great is that ChatGPT can walk you through a structured breathing session without the need for an app or a guided video. So let's ask it for a simple but effective breathing exercises through this simple prompt right here. See, guide me through, let's say, 5-minute breathing exercise specifically designed to calm anxiety and slow a racing heart. Okay, so this prompt that we'll be sending should give us a structured approach to mindful breathing that you or even us can follow anytime that we need a moment to reset. Now, let's see what ChatGPT provides right now. Okay, so here's what ChatGPT is generating right now. Okay, so for minute 1, grounding and awareness, with the instructions. Minute 2, box breathing, 4, 4, 4, 4. Those 4 4s are seconds. Deep belly breathing for minute 3. Minute 4, affirmation and visualization. Okay, last minute, a gentle return and gratitude. So here's a little note from ChatGPT right here. This simple but effective breathing routine can be repeated whenever you need to ease anxiety or calm a racing heart. And along with that, a blue heart emoji right here. Oh, how thoughtful of ChatGPT to leave out that one. Okay, let's check this out once more. And yeah, let's just look at that. It was quite a structured and simple way to focus on your breathing. Even just 5 minutes of this can have a huge impact on your stress levels. So try incorporating it into your daily routine, especially during moments of high tension. I'll leave it up to y'all and just let me know if this would be helpful. It all depends on what suggestions or guide the ChatGPT would generate for some of you. All right. When stress takes over, it's easy to get caught up in negative thoughts. Now, with practicing gratitude journaling, it has been proven to help with mental clarity and stress management. But sometimes we don't know where to start. So let's ask ChatGPT to, say, generate a structured gratitude journaling exercise that we can use to refocus on positivity. Here's my prompt right over here. All right, so wanted like journaling prompts that could encourage deep reflection on positive life experiences. Yep. Positivity and meaningful personal connections. Okay, so now we got our prompt set in right here. Simple as that. So those journaling prompts that ChatGPT that will be generating later on, those should help guide our thoughts in a way that encourages self-reflection and appreciation. So let's see what ChatGPT suggests. It all depends on what it would generate for us, with mine that is, right about now. All right, just give it a moment. All right, 3 gratitude journaling prompts, just as I asked. So the first one, a defining moment of kindness. Here, another one, a relationship that shaped you, and a memory that brings you joy. Okay, let's read right over here. Think of a time when someone's kindness has a profound impact on you. What did they do? And how did it make you feel? How has that moment influenced the way you treat others? Now, going to a relationship that shaped you, reflect on a person who has significantly shaped your life, whether a friend, mentor, or family member. What qualities do you admire in them? How has their presence helped you grow into the person you are today? And lastly, a memory that brings you joy. Recall a specific memory that fills you with happiness or warmth. Where were you? Who was with you? And what you? Okay, that doesn't matter. And what made it so special? How can you bring more moments like this into your life? Okay, that's quite deep reading each of those journaling prompts right there. Yeah, they're pretty fantastic, I must say. Journaling even just a few sentences using these can help reframe your perspective and bring more gratitude into your daily routine. So, yeah, these would help you out right here. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. We all handle stress differently. Some of us need movement, others need quiet reflection. Now, ChatGPT can offer a personalized list of stress relief techniques based on what works best for you. So, let's give it a try with this prompt that I put together. All right, so I would ask, I struggle with work related stress and often feel mentally exhausted by the evening. So, as simple as that, suggest 5 stress relief techniques tailored to unwinding after a long workday. So, what we should expect should generate a list of activities that are uniquely suited to different stress triggers and environments. So, let's take a look at the results. There we go. As you'll see, right here, first one, mindful unplugging. There are bullet forms of details right here to help you out. Second, creative expression. All right, physical decompression. 4, immersive escapism. And 5, sensory relaxation. And here is an optional question. Let's follow up for us depending on whether you want it based on your schedule. Just leave like time and activities and days as well. Just answer ChatGPT right here. It depends if this would ever pop up if you ever ask the same or similar prompt like this. So again, let's take a look at this one more time. Here we go, mindful unplugging. And here are like different or interrelated. For example, like create a transition ritual like changing clothes, lighting a candle, or listening to calming music to signal the end of the workday. Now for creative expression, and let's say with this one, if you enjoy storytelling, work on your roleplay stories or brainstorm new ideas for your YouTube videos. Or even this one, in case if you like these hobbies like sketching, journaling, or playing an instrument. 3, physical decompression. Yep, they're all physical activities. Maybe you could try like short outdoor walk. 15-minute one can boost mood and refresh your mind. 4, immersive escapism. And one right here, you could read a fantasy book or listen to an engaging audiobook while sipping tea. And sensory relaxation, you can take a warm shower or bath with a calming scents like lavender or eucalyptus. Okay, so overall, this is a great way to explore different stress relief methods and find what truly resonates with you. So, you could also try mixing and matching these techniques to see what helps you unwind the most. Now, in conclusion, managing stress doesn't have to feel overwhelming, and with the right tools like ChatGPT right here, you can find simple, effective ways to regain control of your mental well being. And so, that concludes today's video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.